Jai Gurudev. I am Dr. Vivek from Sri Sri Ayurveda Hospital. I am HOD of the dental department in Sri Sri Ayurveda Hospital. The speciality of our dental OPD is that we treat all dental problems and periodontal problems but through Ayurveda techniques and Ayurveda medicines and Ayurveda therapies. So the approach will be totally different. So now mainly in dental problems, dental OPD we have periodontal problems and the diseases related to the tooth. So main thing is disease related to the gums and to the tooth. So in the disease related to the gums, we have a periodontitis problem. So we call it as Danta Veshtaka in Ayurveda. So in this periodontitis, the patient will have a mobility in the tooth and he will have a bad breath, bleeding gums, and at very young age the patients are losing their natural teeth. So we have got all Ayurveda medicines and therapies to save the natural teeth and to make a mobile tooth strong. So we give Panchakarma therapies for making our teeth stronger. So in most of the classics in dental problems, he has told the Panchakarma therapies. So it is not that Panchakarma is only for the wellness or for some skin problems. Even for dental problems, he tells about Panchakarma. So mainly we do Virechana and Nasya therapies for making our teeth strong and to improve our oral hygiene. And the second aspect is, so we do even minor surgeries by Ayurveda techniques. So tooth extraction, it is a minor surgery. So we do extraction of tooth by using Jalandhara Bandha technique. So in yoga, we know there are three bandhas: Moola Bandha, Uddiyana Bandha and Jalandhara Bandha. So Moola Bandha, it is done for the lower part of the body, Uddiyana Bandha for the middle part of the body, and Jalandhara Bandha for the upper part of the body. So Jala means nerve plexus, Bandha means blocking. So we block the nerve plexus and we extract the tooth. So this yoga technique is utilized for the purpose of extraction of tooth and which is called as minor surgery. So we make patient to sit on the low level stool and patient he will sit on that either in Sukhasana or Padmasana. So doctor will stand behind the patient and we tell him to perform the bandhas. After doing bandhas, so Kantamakuncha Hridayam Stapayet Chubukam Drudam Bando Jalandharakyo Jara Mrityu Vinashakaha. So this is what which is told in classics about the Jalandhara Bandha. So this Bandha blocks the nerve plexus around the neck region and we extract the tooth by using a forceps. Even that forceps description has been told in Ayurveda. So we call it as Simha Mukha Yantra, Kaka Mukha Yantra and other yantras. Yantra means a blunt instrument. Dental forceps have been told. So speciality of this tooth extraction by Jalandhara Bandha is that patient will not experience pain and there will be no bleeding and there will be no post extraction swelling will not be there and everything will be taken care by yoga technique. Mainly how it works is when we are doing Jalandhara Bandha yoga, we are controlling the Vata. Vata is the one which is responsible for the pain. So when we control the Vata, then easily we can extract the tooth. Even patients who are diabetic, some patients who are weak, so patients who are allergic to antibiotics and anesthesia, so many of them they are coming to our OPD. Even foreigners also we are getting, so they are also getting tooth extracted by Jalandhara Bandha yoga. They are experiencing it. And some of the Anushastra karmas. Anushastra is the parasurgical procedures. So we make use of leech therapies in the gum problems. We make use of some of the kshara, that is alkali preparation for gingival problems, and also Agni karma. If there is severe pain, so we even do Agni karma for the tooth to reduce the pain. So these Anushastra karmas and tooth extraction by Jalandhara Bandha yogas and to improve the oral hygiene. Even after taking so many mouthwashes, even after taking so many antibiotics and medications, so the mouth oral hygiene will not improve. We have so many techniques like Gandusha. Gandusha is a medicated gargling. So we give some kashayas made out of some herbal preparations or from kshiri vrukshas for the purpose of gargling. So it is in olden days it was done like oil pulling. So that oil pulling concept even has been told in Ayurveda and Nitya Gandusha and Danta Dhavana. Danta Dhavana is brushing the teeth with neem twigs and karanja twigs, that is also told to improve the oral hygiene. So along with all these techniques, so we also perform some of the modern treatments like root canal therapies and cosmetic therapies and also fillings and restorations. So it is a combination of both an ancient techniques and a modern techniques which is adopted in our dental OPD and it is specially unique. Patient can take benefit out of it.